How I went from $0 per day to over 280K in less than 2 months. Hey, what's going on guys? Shri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about the best way to maximize your income so that you can earn well over 5 figures and even into 6 figures in a small amount of time. So if you guys haven't already, please click the subscribe button down below and like this video because I'm providing value every single day, and hopefully these videos are helping you with your own stores. So before jumping into the video, I would like to show you guys one of my main stores and my own brand. My main goal for the next few months with this specific store is to turn it into a brand, and this is actually a live screen recording of my own store. So as you can see, this is real, and this is the income I earned from January 1st to March 7, which is today. And if you guys can see, I started at a very small amount, and as I learned my way with Facebook ads mostly, it eventually grew and at a very fast pace. So just in the month of January, I did well over 100k, actually 121k, as you can see, when I began scaling with my specific strategies. By the way, I'll be making a video on scaling your Facebook ads soon, so that's why you should subscribe and stay tuned. But once my scaling strategy came into testing, it worked very well with this product. I was able to grow my store at a very ridiculous pace. It was very fast. I went from literally $200 per day to over 1k per day in less than a week, which is crazy. And as time went on with this product, the very next month I did 139k, which is even more than the first month. And as you can see, the product did start to die, but when it comes to e-com products and Shopify stores, you can't rely on one product. That's why you need to test every single day and make sure you're investing your money correctly. And although my profits for the first month were around 30%, the second month it did drop trying to revive the product, but in the month of March, the profit margin is back up, and as you can see, in 5 days, or actually 7 days, I've done already 20k. Now let's jump right into our Google Doc, and I'll show you exactly how I was able to make this ridiculous amount of money in such a small time frame. Alright, so I made a list of 3 things that I believe helped me become successful in a short amount of time. So the very first thing, the main key point, is focus on selling. I see a lot of new people out there. They're trying to improve their websites, adding these about us pages, contact us, everything, trying to make colorful and big descriptions. All of that is definitely important, but the very main thing that you need to focus your 100% attention on is selling. Now you definitely need to make a professional website and make it user friendly so that when the customer comes onto your website from the advertisement, they need to have an easy time accessing all the parts. But the very main thing that you need is a good product. So that's why you should put 100% of your time into finding the right product to sell, which is our next point, and also finding the best ways to sell that specific product. Now by focus on selling, I mean trying to find good ad descriptives, images, emojis, anything that could help your product sell. So the number one key thing that if you take from this video is focus on selling. Now the second key point is finding the right product through testing. And let me underline testing. There is no other way to find the right product without investing money. And you actually don't need $1,000, $2,000. I actually just invested around $500 when I began my stores before I was able to see revenue come in and get results from my ads. So you definitely need a small amount of money in order to test your products and find the right product that can, as my product did, earn you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now the very last thing that you need to focus on is customer service. The customer needs to feel like their money is in safe hands. There's no other way around it. In order to do this successfully, I try to answer all emails within less than 24 hours. And you have to be kind to every single customer. Now I have had a lot of customers try to threaten to sue me, or I have even had some customers pretend to be lawyers and contact me on Instagram. But no matter the situation, you have to be kind and genuine with them. If there is a problem, you have to let them know. Recently, it was the Chinese New Year, and due to that, the shipping times were extended to well over 3 weeks. My supplier was away from February 7th to around February 24th, and I did get a lot of emails, but I handled each email respectfully and I told them the truth. Now, customers did ask for refunds, but one strategy that you can use if they ask for refund is to refund 10% or 15% of their current order, or give them a 25% discount on their next order. Usually what I noticed was the customers would choose the second option, which is 25% discount on their second order, and this did help make me money in return. So these are the 3 main things that I did focus on with this specific store, which I am turning into a brand, and it'll be done within the next coming months. So make sure you're focusing on these 3 key strategies in order to maximize your revenue and make sure that you earn the maximum amount possible in the lowest amount of time. But in the end, do remember this is a process. So if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button down below, and also be sure to watch my last video on Instagram influencers and how to make the perfect Instagram ad.